Traffic in 333 Lima Delta. Come in.
Airvan 333 Lima Delta, Fort Pierce Tower.
I've got a serious situation here. My pilot has gone incoherent. I have no idea how to fly the airplane, but I'm maintaining in 9100.
Number 333 Lima Delta, roger. What's your position?
I have no idea. I can see the coast of Florida in front of me, and I have no idea.
Number 333 Lima Delta, do you know how to operate the transponder? Can you squawk 7700?
Stand by, let me see. Repeat that frequency to squawk.
Number 333 Lima Delta, if able, input 7700 into your transponder.
7700, here.
November 3 Lima Delta, can you say again what the situation is?
Pilot is incoherent.
Number 3 Lima Delta, that came in a little broken. What was the situation with the pilot?
He is incoherent. He is out.
Number 3 Lima Delta, roger. Try to hold the wings level and see if you can start descending for me. Push forward on the controls and descend at a very slow rate.
Yeah, I'm descending right now at 550 feet a minute, passing 8640.
Number 33 Lima Delta, roger, and continue the descent and try to level off at 5,000 feet.
10-4, what heading do I need to be at? Give me a compass heading because I have no controls. All my electronics went when we went in a roll.
November 3 Lima Delta, maintain wings level and just try to follow the coast, either north or southbound. We're trying to locate you.
10-4, passing 8600.
Number 3 Lima Delta, if able, hit the ident button on the transponder.
Which one is it?
Number 3 Lima Delta on the transponder, if there's a button that says ident, hit the ident button for me. Number 3 Lima Delta, if able, I have a frequency for you to put into your radio. It's 132.15, 132.15. That's Palm Beach approach. They may have a better idea of where you're at. November 3 Lima Delta, did you copy the frequency 132.15?
No.
Number 3 Lima Delta, no problem. Just continue to stay wings level, maintain 5,000, and follow the coast, and we're going to try to find you here on the radar.
Okay, 10-4.
Number 3 Lima Delta, Palm Beach is he's instructing me that you're about 20 miles east of Boca Raton. Just continue northbound over the beach, and we'll try to get you some more further instructions. Continue, maintain 5,000 northbound over the beach. Number 3 Lima Delta, do you have a cell phone with you?
Yes, we do.
Number 333 Lima Delta, if you can hear me, I have a phone number for you, 305-716. 305-716. If you receive that, give that phone number a call on your cell phone if able. Number 3 Lima Delta, Palm Beach approach is going to talk to you. They're going to direct you to the Palm Beach airport. You should hear them on this frequency momentarily.
And all fire crews, aircraft's down. You can proceed on 10 left.
Palm Beach ground, airport 4. Fire station with Op 44 and one blue light, like proceed out to the runway.
Yep, proceed on 10 left. American 1845, you can make the left turn there, hold short of 10 left. It's going to be a couple minutes. You just witnessed a couple passengers land that plane.
Not a problem. Go ahead and continue. We'll hold short 10 left, American 1845.
Man, they did a great job.
Did you say the passengers landed the airplane?
That's correct.
Oh my gosh, yeah, no, great job.
No flying experience. We got a controller that worked them down. That's the flight instructor.
That's it.
Chopper 5, you want to go now?
Affirmative.
Chopper 5, departure from the ramp at pilot zone risk. Wind is 050 at 10, gust 16. Just remain south of 10 left at all times.
5, remaining south.